Good morning, children. Today we will study chapter 5 of computer. The name of our chapter is More on MS Paint. Children, in this chapter we will study about different tools, different tools that you can see on our MS Paint window. So let's go through the topics which we will study here. Wait, children, 1 minute. The headings which we will study in this chapter are magic of control buttons, saving, closing, and opening the saved, drawing, using tools group, pencil, text, eraser, brush, and airbrush. These are some tools which we will study in this chapter. Editing the existing file, it means selecting, resizing, and skewing. So these are the some topics about which we will study in this chapter. Okay, children? So let's go through them. First, we will study about magic of control buttons. Children, you can see three buttons here. So first we will study about that how we can minimize the paint window. Minimizing the paint window. So three buttons are here, children. You can find these three buttons on the right corner of your screen. Here also you can see these three buttons. So this button, first button, is known as minimize button. What do we call this button? Minimize button. So now let's learn the use of this button, that how we can use this. Click on the minimize button. The paint window is hidden from the main screen. Children, when we will click on this button, it means this button, immediately this paint window at present on which we are working, it will be hidden from our screen. Let's do a practical of this. Children, now this is the minimize button. Now I am clicking on it. See what will happen. So our main window has been hidden, children. Are you able to see that window? No. Yes. So this is the function of minimize button. But the icon can be seen on the taskbar. This is the taskbar, children. So its icon you can see on the taskbar. So remember, children, whenever any window we are minimized, whenever a window is minimized by the minimize button, its icon can be seen on the task bar. It will be highlighted, children. The window which we have minimized, that window icon is highlighted on the task bar. I hope, children, you have understood the usage of taskbar. Now we will study the next window. Which window, children? Can you tell me which window? Now we will study about that how we can maximize our paint window. First, we will click on the paint icon on the taskbar. Children, when we are not able to see the paint window, it means when we have minimized our paint window, then what we will do immediately, we will click on this icon like this. We will click on this paint icon which is on the taskbar. Immediately our paint window will appear on the main screen, or you can say the paint window covers the entire desktop screen. This paint window immediately will be appeared on a screen in its original size. It means in full size. Next, which button we will study about? Tell me, children. Guess, any guess? We will study about resizing the paint window. That how we resize our paint window. So these are the three buttons. So these three buttons we can find on the right corner of our screen, children. So the middle button, this is the minimize button. This middle button with two small square boxes you can see overlapping over the other. Here also you can see two boxes. This button is known as restore button. This middle button is known as restore button. Children, when we will click on the middle button, which is the restore button, what will happen? The paint window will become smaller in size. It means our window will become small in size. Let's do a practical of this. This is the restore button, children. Now I am clicking on it. See what is happening. Our window has become smaller, children. Yes or no? Yes. Our window will become small in size. Then again, click on the middle button. That is the maximize button. After clicking on the restore button, then immediately we will see our three icons in this format. Only one single square will appear in middle. So this button is known as maximize button. What do we call this button now? Maximize button. So what will happen when we will click on this button? The paint window will get back to its normal size. It will again come back in its normal size. Let's do it. See. Now again I am clicking on this button, children. See what is happening. Our window again came back in its normal size. I hope, children, you all have understood the magic of these three buttons. Yes or no? Let's proceed further, children. Now we will study about tools groups, that how we can use them. Children, this is our tools group. The tools group has many tools that have different functions. These tools have different function. Each tool has individual function. These tools help us in making drawings. These different tools help us in drawing. So there are certain steps which we have to follow. Let's go through them by using these tools. Simply click on any tool in the tools group. For example, children, I have clicked on this tool. Then next, move the pointer to the drawing area. Now after clicking on this tool, immediately I bring my pointer to the drawing area. This is the drawing area, children. Now read the next instruction. Press and hold down the left mouse button. Immediately after bringing my pointer on the drawing area, I pressed. There are two buttons in our mouse, left and right, children. So immediately I press the left mouse button. See, next instruction. Now drag the mouse to draw a picture. So now see, I am dragging this by holding the left mouse button. Now I am dragging it. See what is happening. Wait, see what is happening. I have selected this. What is happening? So anything you can see, it will start drawing. It will start drawing, children. Okay.